Assistant Professor in Department of Information Science and Engineering at SAP Institute of Technology. Right now, I'm explaining a C program for electricity board bill generation. So in this C program, we are supposed to read a customer name and the number of units consumed by the customer. So depending upon the units consumed by the customer, we need to generate the bill. If the units is less than 200, we are supposed to charge 80 paisa. If the bill amount is greater than 200, we are supposed to charge 90 paisa for the next units that is being consumed after 200. Next, if the bill amount is crosses 400 months, a surcharge of 15 paisa needs to be charged for the bill amount. So let's see the C program now.
Explaining the fifth C program. So the fifth C program is an electricity board charges the following rates for the use of electricity. So for the first 200 units it is 80 paisa, for the next 100 units 90 paisa, beyond 300 units so 1 rupee need to be charged. So all the users charge minimum of 100 rupees as a meter charge. If the bill amount crosses more than 400, then an additional surcharge of 15% of the total amount need to be charged. So let's see the C program to do this following. So this is a C program. So first we need to read the customer name. So customer name is read in a variable called name. So we are declared with the variable called name, which is of type char, and we are taking this name as an array which holds 30 characters. Next, to read the number of units consumed, we are taking a variable called units. So units is of type int. Next, to store the result, so we are taking a variable called bill amount, which is of type float. Now, if the unit consumed, let us assume that the unit consumed is 199. So 199 will be less than 200. So what's the bill amount will be? 100 is the minimum charge plus 199 into 80 paisa. So the bill amount will be calculated by using the formula 100 plus so units into 0.8. Now let us assume you are consumed around 250 units. So 250 is greater than 200 and 250 is less than or equal to 300. So this statement will be matched. So the bill amount will be charged as 100 rupees minimum charged. So for the first 200 units, 200 into 80 paisa plus. So for the remaining units, so 250 minus 200. So it becomes 50 into 0.9. Next, let us assume you are consumed around 350 units. So 350, how do we calculate it? 100 plus 200 into 80 plus 100 into 90. So for the remaining 350 minus 300, 50 into 1. So if the bill amount crosses more than 400, then additional surcharge of 15 paisa will be added for the entire bill amount. So this printf will display the name, next printf will display the units, and the next printf statement displays the bill amount. Let's see the program right now. So let's see how to execute it. So cc followed by file name /a.out. So enter the customer name Darshan, units consumed. Let us assume that you are consumed around 100 units. So and for 100 units the bill amount will be 180. Next, let us assume the customer name Manu. Let us assume that he has consumed around 250 units. So for the 250 units the bill amount will be 305 rupees. Now let us assume the customer name is Nitin. Unit consumed, let us assume 350. So for 350 units the bill amount will be 400. Next, let us assume he has consumed, let us assume the customer name as Jivraj. Let us assume he has consumed 450. So for 450 the bill amount will be 575. Hope you understood this program. Thank you.